In this video, we'll guide you through how to use the Excel Data Sheets feature, which works similarly to the Google Sheets integration. To begin, open the company where you like to add an Excel data sheet and click the Sheets button from the left menu. This will open the Data Sheets section, where you can manage existing sheets or create new ones. To create a new Excel data sheet, click the Create New button in the upper right corner and select the Excel option from the drop-down menu. In this section, you can upload the Excel sheet you want to use as a data sheet. Be sure to download the provided template first to ensure your sheet is formatted correctly for use in Reach reporting. Specifically, ensure that column A contains an ID for each row, column B contains a name for each row, and the following columns contain either date-related or non-date-related data. Once your Excel sheet is uploaded, it will appear in your list of data sheets. From there, you can rename the sheet by clicking the gear icon, delete it if needed, or upload an updated version using the designated button. To use your Excel data, simply select it from the data picker in either the Metric Builder or Live Text. This covers everything you need to know about uploading and using an Excel data sheet in Reach reporting. If you have any questions about this feature, don't hesitate to send us a chat.